I'm back with more geometric and arithmetic sequences. So when you're looking for anything like this, please find me on my TikTok, YouTube, and my Instagram at YouWantAlgebra to find more videos, whatever platform it is that you feel most comfortable with. And so we're going to look at these in the geometric and arithmetic sequence categories for my playlists. So what is the 10th term of a sequence? G sub n equals 3 times 2 to the n minus 1 power. So this is going to be a geometric sequence, which I'm multiplying. And so what I can tell from this, if I'm doing the explicit formula, is I'm going to be using the information or ask the 10th term. So it starts with the number 3, whatever this sequence starts with, and then it's multiplying by 2 every single time. So I could write out the whole list of numbers and figure out 10th term's not really that far out into the future, but I could certainly do that, or I can use this little formula that we're going to write. And so we're going to take G sub n, so we're looking for the 10th term, so G sub 10, that's what that means, just look the number that we're looking for. We're going to take the 3, because that's what we start with in our pattern. We're going to multiply this number by 2 over and over again, and we're going to do to the n minus 1 power. So n minus 1 is the 10th number, minus 1, or to the 9th power. And when I do that out, I get the G sub n, which is 10, or my 10th term in the sequence, is 1,536. So that's how we go ahead and do that. Just use a quick calculation, 2 to the 9th power times 3, and then you'll get your answer, 1536. Now let's take another one. This is an arithmetic sequence, and it's funny because I had a similar question like this many years ago, and I had a couple of the kids forgot how to do this, and they were literally writing every number down because they were trying to figure it out, because they couldn't use it, they had to actually write these 50 numbers down. But this is the quicker way to do this. So if I'm looking at this problem, we're looking for the sequence A sub n equals 100 plus a negative 8 times n to the, negative 8 times n minus 1. So because we have the A, that tells us it's arithmetic, which means we're adding. In this case, actually, we're actually subtracting, but we're adding a negative number. So if I'm looking for this, it's going to keep decreasing by 8. That's what it tells me. It's telling me that I'm starting with 100, because that's what this formula gives me. And so instead of us subtracting 8 over and over and over again 50 times, we're going to just plug it into the equation. So A sub n is going to be replaced with the 50 because we are looking for the 50th number. It's equal to the first number we started with, 100. And then we're going to do plus the negative 8. And then where n is, we're going to replace it with 50 again. So we're going to take negative 8, we're going to times it by 49. And then we're going to add 100 to that. And we're going to get our A sub 50, or our 50th term, which is actually equal to negative 292. If you want more questions like this, find them on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at YouWantAlgebra. Check these out under the playlist of arithmetic and geometric sequences.